Hello and welcome to the Saigon Times briefing. I'm Phung Linh with the top 5 socio-economic events this week. Vietnam-China deepen cooperation across sea sectors. Over 77 trillion VND earmarked for Ho Chi Minh City port system through 2030. Ho Chi Minh City to slash commune-level administrative units by 62.64%. Temporary use of forest land proposed for railway expressway construction. Vietnam becomes the fastest developing tourism destination in Southeast Asia. Vietnam State President Luong Cuong held talks with China's Party General Secretary and President Xi Jinping on April 15th, with both sides agreeing to elevate practical cooperation across various sectors. State President Luong Cuong underscored the importance of Chinese leader Xi Jinping's April 14th to 15th state visit to Vietnam, highlighting its special significance as the two countries are celebrating 75 years of diplomatic ties and the Vietnam-China Year of People-to-People exchanges. The Vietnamese leader outlined several key proposals and directions for future Vietnam-China cooperation, such as maintaining regular high-level exchanges, elevating substantive cooperation across various fields, promoting cultural and people-to-people exchanges, enhancing coordination and dialogue at international and regional forums, and resolving maritime differences appropriately. Chinese Party General Secretary and President Xi Jinping praised the constructive remarks and important proposals put forward by State President Luong Cuong, affirming that the Chinese party and state wish to and are ready to maintain high-level strategic exchanges with Vietnam. Xi also emphasized China's readiness to work with Vietnam to promote cooperation in transport infrastructure, smart border gates, expand imports of high-quality Vietnamese goods, and boost collaboration in emerging sectors. The Ministry of Construction has approved a comprehensive development plan for Ho Chi Minh City's seaport system through 2030, with total investment needs exceeding 77 trillion VND to expand capacity, improve infrastructure, and support long-term urban growth. The Ho Chi Minh City seaport system will require 1,567 hectares of land by 2030. The investment will include over 2.95 trillion VND for public maritime infrastructure and 74.5 trillion VND for commercial port operations and cargo handling facilities. The development plan covers multiple port areas, including Cát Lái Phú Hữu, Saigon River, Hiệp Phước Nhà Bè, Long Bình, and a proposed international transshipment terminal in Cần Giờ district. By 2030, the seaport system is expected to handle between 228 and 253 million tons of cargo and 170,600 to 184,400 passengers annually. The network is projected to grow to 41 to 44 ports with around 89 to 94 wharves. The Ho Chi Minh City Party Committee has approved a plan to reduce the number of commune-level administrative units by 62.64% from 273 to 102. The restructured system will comprise 78 wards and 24 communes, aiming to streamline governance and bring local authorities closer to residents. Key changes involve resolving boundary disputes between Thủ Đức City and Bình Dương Province around the Vietnam National University Ho Chi Minh City campus, and expanding District 6 into part of Ward 16 in District 8, and 3 wards in District 8 into 3 communes of Bình Chánh District, namely Bình Hưng, Phong Phú, and An Phú Tây. The restructuring will require staffing adjustments, with an estimated 6,120 personnel needed for the new units. Therefore, 11,015 individuals will become redundant. The Ministry of Agriculture and Environment has proposed allowing the temporary use of forest land for the construction of supporting facilities needed for road and railway projects of national importance, including the North-South High-Speed Railway and the Lào Cai-Hà Nội-Hải Phòng Railway. The proposal was included in a draft amendment to Decree number 156 2018, aimed at removing bottlenecks and ensuring timely project implementation. Under the proposal, the forest areas would only be used during the construction process and would not be permanently converted. Once work is completed, the land would be restored, reforested, and handed back to forest management authorities. Currently, Decree number 27/2024 allows temporary forest land use for electricity grid projects, but does not cover traffic infrastructure projects. The ministry emphasized the urgent need to update the regulations to reflect the practical requirements of large-scale infrastructure development. With an impressive 98% tourism recovery rate post-COVID, Vietnam has outpaced both Thailand, 87.5%, and Singapore, 86%, to become the fastest developing tourism destination in Southeast Asia, according to Bloomberg. In January 2025 alone, Vietnam reported over 2.1 million international arrivals, marking a 36.9% increase compared to the same period last year, according to statistics from Footprint Travel. In 2024, the country welcomed 17.5 million international arrivals, surpassing Singapore to become the third most visited country in the region, behind Thailand, 35 million, and Malaysia, 25 million. Phu Quoc, Ha Long, and Da Nang are three destinations that have contributed significantly to these impressive results. Flexible visa policies and an expanding flight network are playing a crucial role in making the country more accessible. That's all from us for now. Thank you and see you next week.